today I know which is the best platform to teach developers. But that time, no idea, not know where to learn, how I learn, and which direction I'm going to, proceed in upcoming years. No planning, nothing. Programming language I need to be learn. I, so so many people are, saying, hey, you like if someone who's starting the programming journey, they need to be learn C or C plus. Even my neighbor, who is also a university professor, she's also studying, like giving lecture of C or C plus plus. I also approach him and just discuss, hey, can you guide to me? So see, hey, definitely within 30 days you will be master of C, C plus plus. So all right. So I attended this like. I passed out from IHM Dehradun. It's a hotel management institute. It's one of the prestigious colleges in India. It's the batch of 2007 to 10. Then after pass out, I got a placement in one of the good hotel chain called Accor. So where I work in marketing team, and after working 5 years in hotel industry, so I decided I think I have a good contacts in this industry. So many travel agents knows me, and in India or out of India. So I think it is the best time to start something, your own thing. It's time of 2016, I believe, or 2015. So in December, I quit my job as a hotelier. So then I start my startup. The startup, it's basically focused on promoting some small heritage property in North India. So I, almost tie up is more than 18 property. And the challenging part for me in starting, I was not no idea about any tag and all the things, but my idea to like promoting this property through mobile apps. So India in that time is generally like booming of internet. So I decided I think this is the best time to be so people not do like traditional way to get booking. So they need to be download my app, my website, my company app. So they will book this property through this app. So basically, even my friends, none of have any Btech or IIT and or anything, any background. So I was searching some agencies, so maybe they will help. So I reached out couple of agencies and they got me. Okay, so I started working closely with them, but suddenly, my vision, they not understand my vision. So they served me different thing, not what I was thinking. So that's I just almost 4 to 5 months lost with these agencies. Then I thought, I need to be hire someone like CTO kind of people who is more in techie. So then I approached some people because I not have any idea to approach these people. What like today I know which is the best platform to teach developers, but that time no idea. So so one of my friend suggest me, hey, his friends have idea of some technology, maybe he will help you or maybe we will do something. What are you thinking at this moment? So I approach him, that person. Then I also have offered him as a co-founder position. Okay, you will looking all the technology part. So but the thing is, again, he's not more concerned about my thing. He just so again 5 to 6 months gone. But the problem for me, because I already, uh, you know, tired with those property, and also I was busy to shooting in all the things, photo shooting and all the things, And after 8 to 9 months gone, then I figure out, I think the main thing is not done. That is application where I need to sell these rooms, and I need to also, because so many people ask, those property owner asking me, hey, when we will get a business through you, we already contract signed and all the things. So then I just figure out how. So like all, to be honest, I was, not able to build that, in terms of like no contacts, nothing. I just more and more depend on those people, and they are just not give me that product that I'm thinking, So after spending 1 year, I decided, I think I need to be here to be quit this thing and try to break some from this business thing, because I most of time busy with these things, like more involved in property business owner and other work, and it affect my health as well also. So I took break from everything, and I traveled some of the part of India, like 3 to 4 months, and after then in this period I decided, I think I need to grab my finger running all the programming and all things, but that time I even not know where to learn, how I learn, and which direction I'm going to proceed in upcoming years. No planning, nothing. I quit my job, wonderful job. I was working as a regional sales head, wonderful job. Every people have kind of thinking the kind of the job. So after explored some of the part of India, then I back to my home and decided to next 6 months I need to be more and more learning these things. So first I searching on internet, okay, which programming language I need to be learn. so many people are saying, hey, you, like if someone who's starting the programming journey, they need to learn C or C++. This is the first language, So I started, even if you know that I also purchased the book C++, C.
Wow.
So don't know where to start. So I started C++. So, but like after a week or a couple of weeks later, I first said, oh man, this language is very difficult. I think I need I give up soon, So even my neighbor, who is also a university professor, she's also studying, like giving lecture of C or C++. I also approach him and just discuss, hey, can you guide to me? So see, hey, definitely within 30 days you will be master of C++. So all right. So I attended her lecture. So after 7 days or like 10 days later, I just decided, okay, C++ is not for me. These are very hard. I need to be. It's out of my context. So then I just random searching, and I got one Python author email address. So I just thinking, hey, maybe this person help me if I drop a mail. So I dropped to mail to him. So like 1 day later, he responded me. Hey,
Wow.
yeah, he still have a screenshot. I share my Twitter. So he advised me, C or C++ is not a good way if you are not any background of Btech or any techie background, computer science background. I think you can start with Python. Python is a great language to be start, and then other language will be easy if you know all the fundamentals. So he suggested some of the resources as well also, like YouTube or other part of, so where I will, like he suggests me, you will get some like basic info at least. So here real my program journey start, so I started Python from starting like my first course from Treehouse. I know that website. It's the kind of boot camp. I don't know. They provide the Team Treehouse. Team Treehouse. So where I learned Python, and within the month I almost all the basic fundamental. But the problem, I wanted to see visually website. So then it encouraged me to learn HTML, CSS. So I learned those things from Code Academy and YouTube. These are free, and I always advise people who approach me, hey Ravin, what kind of resources you suggest me? So I always start with free resources, because
exactly.
these they are the best ROI. They give you best ROI, because if you not learning from them, then you not lost your money. You have option at least. So I learned like HTML, CSS in next couple of months, and the same time I build project as well also, and it motivate me all the concepts and all the things, So then after learning CSS or JavaScript, HTML, I figure out what is the next thing I need to be learned. Then JavaScript, you can't escape JavaScript. Those once you learn HTML, CSS, you always face JavaScript. So here I started learning JavaScript, and after learning JavaScript, I decided I think Python is not my backend language. JavaScript is my backend language and frontend language. I need to be more focused on JavaScript in upcoming years. And after learning basic fundamental of JavaScript, I decided I think I need to be learned, because if I need to be more and more clear my concept, I need to be build real-time thing. That solves someone problems. That is why then I decided I think I need to promote myself to my existing client. Those are like travel agents or some small hotel owners. So maybe I can help them, because I know their industry very well, because I already have good experience on travel industry and hotel industry. So I teach them. So I in India, every year, organized travel fair, travel fair where all the agents, Indian, outside of Indian, meet each other. So where I also introduce myself to my existing client. So all right, hey guys, now I'm not a part of any hotel at this moment. Now I'm starting my own thing. Maybe I will help your business somehow, like improve your website or design your website, or maybe and in starting I won't charge anything. If you will get some money from these things, then you will give me some part of that money. So they think, I think it's a win-win situation.
Exactly.
So because I was, more and more concerned about to get some projects. If I get projects, then I'll improve my things, and also get some feedback from these people. So I need to be like building my portfolio into the
exactly.
So here I starting to helping these people, and then some of people really happy my work, and they recommend their friends as well also. That time I even don't know about Discord, Twitter, nothing. Just only focus on offline thing, So even I just focus these three things: HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and once you work in backend, then you need to learn Node.js as well also. So majorly don't any fancy technology learns. So I just more and more helping these people after working closely 3 years with my clients. I like 2020, like pandemic started in India. So I came in mind, the idea came in mind. I think I learned everything from internet free. I think I need to give back to community somehow anyway. So then I decided I think I need to create Discord server, and I created my Discord server. But I was thinking how someone join my Discord server. They don't know. So I decided I think I need to promote my Discord server. Any any social media, which social media is good for me. Then I figure out I think Twitter is very good. So I'm not a LinkedIn kind of person or Instagrammer or so here I started my Twitter journey, and I saw so many people sharing some of different thing on Twitter. There's some people sharing their journey, some people sharing their struggles, some people sharing their whatever their today journey. So I also started sharing my own things. So soon, so many community members will engage with me, and they really like my stuff. So here I started, the more and more involvement, and I also realized how powerful to become a part of community. You will get so many chances if you more and more involved in the community. And then I decided I need to be more and more devote my time to be community, building community and the importance of the community. So then the more and more time focus on building community, on more active on my Discord server, more active on Twitter, and then so here all the things started. You already know some sort of story about me.
Wow, what a wonderful and inspiring journey, Ravin. I mean, this journey gave me so many answers that folks usually ask. So this covered like all of the doubts that generally folks have. So really inspiring journey. Did you have a mentor also in your initial days into learning coding?
To be honest, no mentor, but so many virtual mentors, those I follow on in social media, or like you can see that person who suggests me some of the resources. So not I can say mentor, but I learned a lot book, and I apply those whatever someone write on these books. So I applied those things. So to be honest, not any like first 3-4 months I mostly worked alone, and in terms of community and more involvement, it start from 2020. Before I was work alone, and if I wanted to work someone, I hired for project basis. But I don't think any people, but so many people inspire me in an initial stage. I saw people's journey, and definitely that thing really helped me to grow my career in tech.
Do you think that having a mentor can help people who are starting out their tech journey today, like people on Twitter who host spaces, people on Discord servers who have the Discord servers, can they act as a mentor for somebody?
Definitely depends on the person. Hey, like if some people maybe they have very active and they are not able to give you much time, but you will more and more listening them and try to apply what they said, and also more and more involve the community where so many people sharing so many great stuff. So that will really help you if someone is really starting their career. And I believe mentor guide you, give you his sharing his experience, and give you like broad path where you need to be go.
Exactly.
He's already know. But again, you need to be take action. He will guide you, but and already you need to be take action. And before you ask someone, you need to be research yourself. Like Google is everything, you can search anything. You're like everyone searching their all answer in Google. So don't be shy to ask, because here's a community very supportive. And I think nowadays it's very easy to be ask anything with someone, your favorite hero. You can easy ask anything on Twitter DM if someone you follow. And yeah, I think I don't think you need to be need a particular like uh, like very compulsory to be find a mentor, but virtually you can uh, find a mentorship, like if you attend spaces or if you attend community meetups.